Hello everybody, first of all, thank you for the awesome live stream yesterday. I think it was very successful and I really enjoyed doing the live stream, guys. Right now I'm going to do a quick update on the Bitcoin price because I think we are right now at a very important crossroads. Bitcoin could go either way. We could be seeing a bounce right here in the immediate short-term time frame, but we could also be breaking the uptrending support. I'm going to show you what I think is going to happen with the Bitcoin price right here in the near future. Guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Sharon. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily awesome crypto videos. Right now, let's jump into the Bitcoin price action. But of course, before we are zooming in right here on the Bitcoin chart, let's take with every single one of us 1 single minute. Scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button. Guys, that is super appreciated. We are almost at 10k subscribers and it would be awesome to reach this milestone in the near future. Okay, guys, let's have a look at the price of Bitcoin. Let's get rid of the moving average right here. And yeah, on the 4-hour time frame, it looks like we are trading in a rising wedge pattern, right? We have an uptrending support, uptrending resistance. And yeah, right now Bitcoin is trying to test the support, and it's going to be the question whether we are going to see a dump, whether we are going to break that support and see a further correction in the Bitcoin price, or whether Bitcoin can see a bounce right here in the shorter term time frame. So we are going to have a look at that. First of all, guys, we are seeing some bearish signals as well, which means that if we were to break the support of the uprising channel, the rising wedge right here, then that is quite a bearish sign. But yeah, we are going to have a look at all of these signals. Let's first go to the daily time frame. I want to show you a bearish divergence, so actually a double. So we have we are forming lower highs on the daily RSI. So the momentum, the background momentum right in the price is slowing down. Because in the price we are doing the opposite, right? We are actually creating higher highs while in the momentum setting lower highs. So that is definitely something to worry about. However, the opposite is true as well, guys. And this can be quite confusing sometimes. In a bull market, if Bitcoin wants to prepare for more bullish momentum, the RSI sooner or later needs to reset to create bullish momentum, right? So therefore, a bearish divergence like this is not meaning anything unless or until we are breaking a key support level. And that key support level right now, in my opinion, is the uptrending support of the rising wedge pattern. And guys, let's go first back to the 4-hour time frame because I want to explain you something about the RSI. So first of all, we had a nice uptrend right here in the RSI, which we have been broken, right? We had a nice uptrend, we broke that uptrend. That was as well the moment we broke below previous all-time high and saw a further decline in the Bitcoin price. However, this is very interesting. The RSI right here came down to the levels we have seen right here in the price, approximately when Bitcoin bottomed out. So that is super interesting because that means that the RSI, the momentum, is retracing further than the price so far because we are still holding above the support. And that could tell us that right now we have seen a form of a retracement. Bitcoin had to come down, the RSI had to come down, and that right here in the shorter term time frame, we could be seeing a bounce to the upside if we don't break the uptrending support. If we go to the 1-hour time frame, we are seeing some interesting signals as well, which is a bullish divergence. Right here we can see that the price set a lower low, and in the RSI we have been setting a higher low, as you can see right here. And yeah, previous times we have done these things, we have seen a nice bounce in the Bitcoin price. So right here we had a bullish divergence on the 1-hour time frame, and eventually we had a bounce in the Bitcoin price of approximately 14%, which was quite nice. Here we had as well a bullish divergence on the 1-hour time frame, and yeah, this bounce of course led to a very nice substantial bounce, actually a continuation of the uptrend because we surpassed previous all-time highs. So that is definitely interesting, guys, and something I wanted to point out, which we are seeing right here. If we go to the even shorter term time frame, to the 30 minutes time frame, then we can see that Bitcoin right now is consolidating a little bit right here. Here we can see the bullish divergence a little bit more clear, where the RSI is setting a higher low and in the price a quite steep lower low. The bullish divergence is as well confirmed in the MACD indicator, which means that it is a extra confirmation of bullish momentum boiling up in the background of Bitcoin. Right now, guys, I do think that the chances that Bitcoin is going to see a bounce here is definitely more likely than that Bitcoin is directly going to break the uptrending support. If we're going to break the uptrending support directly, then that would be a very bearish sign, showing us that there might be a lot of bearish momentum in the background of Bitcoin. So what I first want to do, guys, is I want to draw a Fibonacci retracement tool from the top till the bottom right here. And yeah, right here we can see the 61.80%. I think that is going to be an important level at approximately 55,490. I think the price should be minimum going up there before we should be seeing a further decline and might retest the support right here. However, guys, we could as well break above this level, which would increase the likelihood that what we are going to see right now is a more substantial bounce, which might result in a new uptrend. And which even could be a bounce, guys, which goes above the previous all-time high right here. Same as we have seen right here, that, yeah, eventually we just see a very, very steep bounce and the price is increasing, because these bullish divergences in a bull market, they are very, very powerful. That is something important to realize. But I think right now in this specific situation, we have very clear signals and levels to watch. So, guys, the levels that I'm watching to the upside, first of all, is the 61.80% of this move, which is approximately 55,500 approximately. If we were to break above this level decisively, I think that increases the likelihood of a substantial bounce, especially when we are seeing increase in the amounts of volume. If Bitcoin is breaking the uptrending support of the rising wedge pattern, guys, then that level is lining approximately at 53,000. If we were to break that level to the downside, I think we can see a further correction in the Bitcoin price, which actually could be quite a steep correction. So let's have a look at that. First of all, if the target of a rising wedge pattern normally, guys, is the bottom of the wedge right here at approximately $30,000. So yeah, if Bitcoin were to break out to the downside and we were to meet the target, that would mean that Bitcoin would see a drop from the levels we are right now of approximately 45%. Is that possible in a bull market? It is possible to see such big of a pullbacks. It's definitely possible. Is it the more likely scenario? No. Right now, definitely not. There are a lot of levels in between which needed to be tested in order to confirm that Bitcoin is really going to see these levels again. And right now, we are still trading above the support. So this is not a scenario I would be favoring right now in the shorter term time frame. I think we still have to wait right here what Bitcoin is going to do. Then, guys, just as we were seeing that divergence very early on, I've been sharing that over on my Twitter as well. So, guys, yeah, if you are interested in these signals, in these nice TA very quickly, very shortly, and very briefly, then make sure to follow me over on Twitter. I put the link to my Twitter account down below in the description. Then, guys, another thing what is going on right now is very, very interesting, and that is that when the Bitcoin price is declining right here, we are seeing the Bitcoin dominance declining as well, which is a very bullish sign for the altcoins, showing us that, yeah, liquidity from Bitcoin is going into altcoins and people are not really taking profits in USD valuation. So that is very interesting, showing us that right here this month, the rest of the month could be a month where we are seeing altcoins thrive in the Bitcoin comparative. And I've been making some nice periods right here, these green boxes, as you can see. And all of these green boxes, the chart still needs to load a little bit. All of these green boxes, guys, they represent the month March, approximately the middle of March. And as you can see, historically, March has been a month of altcoin seasons, more liquidity that is going from Bitcoin into altcoins. And I think a lot of altcoins are looking bullish. Chainlink, Cardano in the Bitcoin comparative, Ethereum in the Bitcoin comparative. Yeah, so this is definitely something to watch in the coming days and weeks. Guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I will be talking about nice opportunities in this altcoin season right here on the channel in the next video. So make sure you are subscribed and you hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. But this is an interesting development in the crypto markets, that when the price of Bitcoin was decreasing and seeing this going back to support, right, that the Bitcoin dominance is decreasing as well, which means that liquidity from Bitcoin is going into altcoins. But okay guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's analysis. If so, make sure to scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. For all the traders out there who are interested in trading Bitcoin or a variety of altcoins, you can use the same exchanges that I'm using personally myself. I have all my affiliate links to these exchanges down below in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my affiliate link, you will get an additional bonus as well. Then for every single one of you who hasn't seen one of my tutorials, you can go over there, have a look, and I will see every single one of you in the next video.